Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sick Sister Always Miss Me, chapter 24. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Yulian and Wen Chao. They're still on the street. Yulian moved closer to Wen Chao and she kissed her gently. Well, definitely, still on the street, but right now, Julian, did she really fall in love with her? That's why right now she's trying to coax her. They've been arguing few minutes ago, but right now, she took a courage to coax her again. She kissed her gently. Suddenly, she noticed something. She realized that someone might caught her. Took a photos of them. Well, she's been aware of. Sister, what are you looking at? Benjo said to her. Julian, right now. Nothing. Let's go home first. She guided Wenjiao to enter in the car. Now, it really makes sense. She's been worried. So, there's nothing happened. Well, definitely. Someone took a photo of the two of them. I really gained a lot today. The man said to himself, well, this is really not good. It really feels strange. Who is the person who's looking after them? Turns out the man has a boss and now he is sending it to her boss. Agent, boss today. He's been reporting. Turns out the photo is already been sent. Josephina in the dark but yearns for the light. She wants to stand beside the rich flower. Well, it was. Wenjiao poems for Julian. Now, it's been sorted out online. Looking at the photos, someone was following them. In the photos, they can see that two sisters. He looks really in love. But who is the person who's sending this? And what is the reason? Why suddenly taking them a photos just to spread it online? Well, this is not really good. Since the two of them are getting photographed, the news will gonna spread fast. It turns out the boss is the girl and now she was looking at the photos. Could it be that this person is Miss Gu, Julian's rival for Wenchao? Well, definitely she has a reason because she got jealous. Also, Wenchao is ignoring her. And of course, a little bit feedback for her. The agents was sending the Word documents. They are almost discovered by them. The other side, still, they managed to take a photo. I see, I will immediately contact someone to prepare the public relation plan. Oh, this is bad. The purpose is to spread it online, and it really makes sense. Let's do it like this. The poem seems to be on Miss Gu's side. How could it be? How can she have an access? Wenjiao said that it was private. Miss Su is really awesome. You are too famous. Okay, then Mr. Kao will come back on Friday afternoon. After we have changed the contract, can you see it? Julian said to Mr. Kao. Of course, Julian, I used to go your house as a guest and you are so young. I also hug you. Now, they all came out to inherit the company, just like your mother. So it turns out Mr. Kao is Julian's mother's friend. It's her sister's name again. She is implying that she agrees with the identity of her sister and eldest lady more than me. Well, definitely, one day, Julian is going to manage the company. And Wenja was there to help her. Now, both holding their hands, appeasing each other. Definitely, the relationship of the two of them is getting better. So why don't you invest in one more project for us for the sake of my mother? Turns out Julian, she was really good at coaxing people. Now she's trying to appease her mother's friend. It depends on these two corporations to have a follow-up. Mr. Gao said to her. Well, definitely Mr. Gao is reviewing the book. Now, suddenly, there's someone's appeared. Mr. Gao, why somebody's barging into the meeting. And it seems like it was really worrying. Until now, Yulian and Wanzhao doesn't know. Their photos are spreading online. Secretary is whispering on Mr. Gao. The two sisters are still sitting, waiting for Mr. Gao to be available again. But now, it really makes sense. Mr. Gao, after hearing the news, stood up and wants to go out on the room. Well, definitely the two sisters. The sudden action in Mr. Cow. Hey, Miss Cow. What does Miss Cow mean? Sue, the secretary, is trying to hold her up. Well, definitely. Mr. Cow seems to be disappointed. Let's see. Miss Cow's believe that the cooperation between the two parties needs to be reconsidered and please go back today. Now, it really makes sense. What will happen to the two of them? They've been quiet, but Yulian said okay. Well, definitely right now, Yulian and Wenzhou was really in shock on what's happening on the internet. Then we'll make an appointment with your company another day. Wenzhou said to them. Well, she was really acting like a pro. She's always confused, quiet, and is going to speak if necessary. Since Mr. Gao stood up, two of them, they've been left out. Why suddenly Mr. Gao wants to run away? Yuren said they need to go back on the company. It really makes sense, right? The secretaries has been taking off the papers and so on so that the two of them can leave the room. Suddenly, oh, miss, you and your sisters are together. Is that true? Are the photos on the internet are really you? Miss, you reject my confession last time because of your sister. Well, right now, Yulian is searching online. Also, there's a lot of comments. It's been asking, the internet photos are really true. I'm not discriminating against your gender, but your half-sister. It is insane. This kind of person should be blocked by the whole network. How can their parents stand it? Now, looking at Yulian, she looks really worried. Now, Yulian said, who did this to us? It's been puzzled. Sister, let's go back to the company first. Now, she's trying to console her. On the other hand, looking at the sperm, been busy, posting about the news of the two of them. She really wants to pay them back. That's why she's doing chaos to the two of them. Well, look at her. How it is going. Also, there are members of the club, and there are also a classmate. Oh, it turns out they're finding people so they can testify about the two of them. They are willing to testify online. They are willing to testify online that she and Miss Sue are indeed in a romance. Miss Goose said, and it's forced, understand? Well, this is really chilling, right? Hey guys, thanks for watching. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!